everybody, welcome back to another episode of Earth to Rocco. Today I'm going to be taking you to 6 burger places that have vegan burger selections. I'm going to be trying each of them and giving you my honest opinion based on the taste and price. We're going to go to Burger King, MELTwich, A&W, Harvey's, Copper Branch, and Hero Burger. These restaurants can be found all over the Greater Toronto area and some of them even in the States. Our first stop, we're heading on over to Burger King. Hi, could I get an Impossible Whopper sandwich with no
Impossible just a sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
With no pickles and no mayonnaise.
No pickle, no mayo, okay.
And can I add barbecue sauce?
On the sandwich you want barbecue sauce or on a side?
On the sandwich. Thank you. Okay, so I actually got a combo because today is Whopper Wednesday, and it was only $8.49, which is not bad. Impossible Whopper. It's a lot more thin than a normal Impossible Burger, and it looks pretty well done. Usually I don't cook it this much, but let's see how it is. Okay, Burger King. It does remind me of the flavor of a regular Whopper, but I do miss my mayo and cheese. I think I'm going to dock them a little bit for not having the vegan mayo and vegan cheese, and give this a 7 out of 10, which is still really good. On to MELTwich. I got my burger from MELTwich and I ordered their Impossible Burger. Now MELTwich actually does have vegan cheddar and vegan mayo, which I'm really excited about. And I also got lettuce, tomato, and onion on the burger. Now the price for this was a lot more expensive than Burger King. So for the burger itself, it was $17.06. So this better be good. So the quality does look better than Burger King and they use a vegan brioche bun. Let's hope this is good. Good. So it's definitely better than Burger King's Impossible Whopper, but I'm also going to give them a 7 just because of the price. I don't think it was worth the extra $9, but I'm still really enjoying it. We're getting our sodium intake today. All right, now we're off to Hero Burger. So I just picked up my order for Hero Burger and it was inside a Pizza. So I think it's just through Uber Eats that you order it and you pick it up at Pizza. Very strange.
Where do they make it? There's no Hero Burger here.
There's a Hero Burger sign outside the front, but it's Pizza. And there's no, like, Hero Burger stuff on the menu. It's really weird. Anyway, so I got a plant-based soul burger with a sesame poppy seed bun, creamy vegan cheese, so they got some vegan cheese, ketchup, lettuce, tomato, red onion, jalapeno, and maple chipotle barbecue sauce. No vegan mayo here. So the total for that was $12.69. So it's less than MELTwich and more than Burger King. It's definitely Hero Burger. That's a big patty. Whew. So the patty's a little bit grainy, and I think that's because it's really thick, but the taste is really good. And it's got a much thicker patty than both the MELTwich and the Burger King burgers. It's almost got like a Beyond Meat flavor. I wonder if they use Beyond Burger. Yeah, you know what? 6.5. 6.5.
Could be it wasn't made properly because it's inside a Pizza.
Pizza making Hero Burgers, my friend.
You know how people say pizza is like eating cardboard pizza? That analogy's perfect for this burger.
You know what? After eating more of it, not a big fan. 6.5. I still think, you know what, Burger King, I'm upping you to 7.5 because you had a great bang for the buck. Burger was good. I don't even care that there was no vegan cheese or vegan mayo. Like, it was good. Maybe if it wasn't Whopper Wednesday, I'd have a different opinion, but Burger King was good. Now we're gonna head to A&W to try their Beyond Burger.
Hi, welcome to A&W. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I get the Beyond Meat Burger with no mayo, no pickles, and no mustard? Thank you. Got my A&W burger. Okay, so this one was $8.39, which I think is how much an Impossible Whopper costs on a normal day. Nice big hefty burger. Looks good. I think this is my favorite one so far. Yep. Some people don't like Beyond Meat burgers, but I really enjoy the flavor of them. I think for the price, it's been one of the cheapest. So I'm gonna give this one an 8. So far, A&W, you're at the top. Good job. I've been eating too many burgers. Getting full. That's all you. I go to Harvey's. I'm in Copper Branch, and then we're done. Oh, acid reflux.
2 more.
2 more.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, can I get a veggie burger?
Toppings?
Can I get ketchup, barbecue sauce, lettuce, tomato, onion, jalapeno?
Yeah.
And do you have guacamole?
No, we don't have that.
Okay, no, that's good. It's cheap. I think it was the cheapest one we got. Harvey. Okay, so we got our Harvey's burger and it was $6.28. So I think this is the cheapest one so far. But you know what? We've had some good luck with the cheap ones, so I'm hoping this is good. Love those cut up toppings in those Harvey's burgers. Yeah. I really like this. Like, I really like this. Is the last place we had A&W?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's not as good as the A&W burger, but the price was way better. So I'm gonna put this up with A&W at an 8. Very good. I like the burger.
I agree with you what you said. It's good, but the A&W is better.
A&W is better, but this was a much better price.
A lot of toppings on this too. Some of the other places are so stingy with their toppings.
Yeah, and I think of all the burgers, this one comes in number 2, but for the price, it's tied with A&W. Copper Branch ended up being closed, so that brings us to the end of today's video. And the winner is A&W and Harvey's. If it were just based on taste alone, it would have been A&W. But for the value and the taste, Harvey's tied. I just wish these places had vegan cheese and vegan mayo, but what are you gonna do?
Complain.
Yeah, complain. Let's sign the petition together. If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. Head on over to earthtorocco.com if you want to see all my amazing vegan recipes. See you next time. Too many burgers today. Oh.